This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB. To the working professionals who may want to venture to business, what advice can you give so that they can properly balance the demands of a highly demanding 8 to 5, although nowadays it's no longer 8 to 5. It may have lengthened. It's less longer, or it's in between. It's actually work-life blend operating right now. So, but how do I balance my role? You are even a leader of human resources. It's a very critical function during this time. And then here is the business with the growing demand, with customers to satisfy, and it's only the three of you, your mom and your other relative. How do you balance this?
I think time management is key. You have to know your priorities. Sometimes when we get too ambitious, it's also not that good, right? So while you want your business to work, you have to know your limitations, your boundaries. If you have to, say, limit your orders to just certain days, you have to do that. Because if you have multiple hats, you wouldn't want to be burnt out also. At the same time, you wouldn't want to lose that passion in what you're doing. Because it might be good now, right? But if you're already juggling so much and you're already too tired to do everything that you want to do, you might just lose that positivity that you've had when you initially started it.
Correct. I like it. You said it's you have to time management, priorities. You have to know what you really want. There can now be three types of people. If you would agree, Nicole, there are people who can balance what they have, the work that they have, and then do something on the side. Or those who will really decide to, no, I'll just be a working professional. It's tough pala to be an entrepreneur. Or those who will might in the near future say, a business is really for me, and eventually leave their existing careers.
Yeah.
So far for you, it's working. The balance is working.
So far, yes.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.